For the kitchen, for dinner, for whatever you want, an Italian dish that's a total showstopper. Look. Wow. A treat you'll have ready in less than 10 minutes. And I'll tell you in advance that it only has 3 ingredients, and it's not pasta, it's made from potato. Bet you didn't expect that, did you? So stay until the end and learn how to make this recipe that's going to become essential in your kitchen. Everyone loves it. It's always a hit. You have to make it. Few ingredients, just 3 and an amazing result. Gnocchi or whatever it's called. I'm Viti, and this is La Cocina de la Abuela, the only kitchen that doesn't use ginger. And let's get started. If you know what they're really called, let me know in the comments. Write it the way it should sound, not the way it should be read. I already know that. Let's go with the first ingredient, 100 grams of bacon, like this. Cut into cubes or strips, it doesn't matter. Put them in a hot pan with a pinch of olive oil and cook them for a minute. As soon as the minute is up, it will be nice and golden, delicious, perfect. Next ingredient, tomato sauce, 200 milliliters of tomato sauce, which is about 1 can. Here I go. I'll show you because we need this one, the good one, with that intense red color, straight inside. And now, can you guess what we're going to do? We give it a stir so the fat from our bacon mixes with the flavor of our tomato sauce. Just a minute and it's ready. We're moving to a pot with boiling water. As soon as it's like this, with the first bubbles, we add salt. Cover it, let it come to a full boil, and move on to the next ingredient. Gnocchi. 500 grams, that's 1 package. These, see? Like these, I'll tell you in advance, they fill you up a lot. Even if they seem like a small amount, it's actually a lot. They're made from potatoes, and they're truly amazing. Don't worry about finding them, because they're in every supermarket, and I bought these at Mercadona. Add them to the boiling water, and now you're going to wait until they start to float. It'll take like 20 seconds as soon as they start to come up from the water like submarines. I'm telling you, it'll take just 20 seconds. Then you have to count 2 minutes, you see. As they all come up, then remove them after 2 minutes. Because if not, they'll get overcooked and turn mushy, and that's not good at all. So exactly 2 minutes, pay attention. All right, I've already got them, of course. The water is still boiling. And now with this gadget that nobody knows what it's for. Is it for measuring spaghetti? And for taking them out, let's take them out. Look, see. I take them out and the liquid drains down there. They stay moist, but we don't add a spoonful of water because it's not necessary. So you can also drain them with a strainer or a colander. Let your imagination run wild. We're pouring them here into the sauce that we have simmering, reducing. And this, I'll tell you in advance, is almost ready. I'm going to give it some final touches to make it spectacular, but you could already serve it like this today. See? I don't think it's even been 5 minutes. Give it a stir so it mixes with the sauce. There you go. Come on, just like that. Professional. Mix everything together for 1 more minute on medium heat. Stirring constantly. And it's ready to serve. There you have your gnocchi with tomato. And now I'm going to add a little grated cheese. Don't overdo it either, because if you do, it'll taste too much like cheese and you'll lose the flavor of the gnocchi. But like this, and of course I'm also going to add dried oregano, because any good Italian dish needs a little dried oregano. Gnocchi with tomato sauce. A feast for the senses that's ready in 10 minutes or less, and with just 5 ingredients. Who could ask for more? Rizras. There's no excuse not to eat well, you know? Make it for yourself. For lunch, for dinner, for whatever you want. And now I give it a stir so the cheese melts. And you can see this spectacle up close. Look. Oh my goodness. This is a 10. And I'll tell you, it's always a hit. Let's plate up a little portion so you can see it. Look how it soaked up the creaminess of this sauce we've made, and the melted cheese. And I'll tell you in advance that you're gonna bring a tear to your guest's eyes. But don't worry, it'll be from happiness. A pinch of oregano, and it's spectacular.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto Adolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto